we are at the elevated station on Wabash, and Adam, right in front of me there, and I'm going to get on this train coming here. It's quite windy out. It's blowing snow, but it's not snowing real hard. It's just very windy. Here comes the ground line, which I will get on. I think I have to walk down. There we go. It's a long train.
Doors closed. Doors closed. Madison and Wabash is next. Doors open on the right at Madison and Wabash. This is Madison and Wabash. This is a ground line train to Kimberly.
Almost no businesses open at this hour, but there are a few places like CVS Pharmacy, a couple of pubs. McDonald's is closing.
Doors